Hey everyone, if you caught my last video, you'll remember that we talked about alternating colors, and we talked about the first method there is to alternating colors, where you go to Format, Alternating Colors, and then choose from this window. Now that's one of the ways you could do alternating colors, but for the sake of this video, we'll look at the second method, where you select your range, and for this, we'll use the whole sheet to show it, to highlight it more. And then you're going to create a custom formula after that, so we'll get into it. Now that we've highlighted the range we want to use, we'll create our formula to alternate colors. So we'll do Format, Conditional Formatting, and then you see our range is selected here. And then we're going to choose a custom formula. In our custom formula, we're going to have to hit equals, remember to hit equals, and then we'll type in is, and we'll do the even rows first. Even, we'll start a parentheses, type in row, and then start a new parentheses, close that, then close the first one. And then we'll take a second, and then all the even rows will be formatted green. You can change the color if you'd like. Now you can also do that with odd rows, so we'll change our even to odd, and then the odd rows will be green. Now you can also do the same thing for columns, which you can't do in the first method, but you can do here. So that's why I like this one a little better. So we'll add another rule to have both rows and columns. We'll do a custom formula again. Type in equals, is even still, open parentheses, type in column, open parentheses again, close those, then close the first. Then you'll have both rows and columns highlighted in green. If you want to change the color to make it more distinguishable, then you can do that. We'll change it to yellow, and then you can see the rows and the columns are highlighted. And you'll also notice that the green takes precedent over the yellow in areas where they intersect. That's because the green formula was entered first. If you want to change that, just simply go to these dots right here and then drag the yellow one over the green, and then the columns will take precedent. So this is the second method for doing alternating colors. Like I said, I think this one's a little more effective, but the first one works just as well and is a little more user-friendly. If you think you learned something today, then please like and comment on the video. I appreciate it a lot. And also subscribe. Thank you.